Try this again. Alright, so it entered the block, and the signal is going to turn and stay red until the train, and I'm making it go slow on purpose because it actually, on the first try with this little locomotive, it changed back to green real fast. So just bear with me a little bit on this. But at the same time, you can see the little goofiness I've done to layout. I can't believe I got this working. I really can't. I'm kind of astonished. Let me try to speed this up a little bit. I don't know how I could get this both in frame, but hopefully you can see when, because this is the end of the block right here. It's still red over on that side. You can see the LED is still red, but as it gets towards this spot right here, that's the end of the block, and I can't get it because it's so far. I'm just gonna show the signal down here is gonna change to green. Because the block is clear. And see, the train actually went out of the block because this is the end of the block right here, and it just crossed over it. So whenever basically it's in this block right here, going all the way down for this particular signal, and the block starts right here, as long as it's in the block, it's going to be red. And then as long as it's out of the block, it's going to stay, the aspect is going to stay green. I'm so thrilled. I don't know what to say. Just wanted to update this little video. Thanks.